What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5. And in today's video, guys, it's all about Barnbridge, which has pumped up over 20% in value over the last 24 hours, currently trading at $5.60. So what we're going to be going through in today's video is it time to buy Barnbridge right now? Is it too late? Should you sell it if you're on a profit, or is it simply time to hold on to it? So yes, we are going to cover both buyers and sellers' point of view, and looking at his prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2023. How high can Barnbridge go, and is it a crypto worth investing into in 2023? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So as you guys can clearly see, the market is not performing too well. It is down 4%, with Bitcoin dropping below the $30,000 mark, as you can see here, and most cryptos are down as well, including EOS, which is a massive 8% down. But Barnbridge has gained the second top gainer in the last 24 hours, which is what we want to see, and today's focus is on Barnbridge anyway. So in the last hour, it has dropped 3%, over the last day 21% up, over the week 30% up, and over the month just about 31%. We can see for most of March and April, it was fluctuating around $3 to $4, and right now it has pumped up over $5.58, guys, as you can see here, over the last 24 to 48 hours, which is absolutely insane. But is this going to keep going, or is it going to crash back down in value, is one of the main questions that people have been asking, especially the short-term traders, as it is a very risky time to buy it right now. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up over 2,000%, making it $95 million in trading, which is a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on Barnbridge. And again, the percentage increase says it all, only because it's one of the top gainers, is getting a lot of attention, a lot of hype around it, meaning more and more people are looking to invest into Barnbridge, and a lot of people are also selling Barnbridge as well, taking out the profits. So in general, there's just a lot of traders right now. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the MACD indicator, which I'm going to be using to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Barnbridge, which is here in purple at $4.45. However, we can see it trading at much higher value here in red at $5.52, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, as usual, just a little disclaimer: this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards the positive direction, which is meant to mean do expect an overall increase in value. However, it's looking so steep, guys, meaning it's not realistic. The only reason why it's looking so steep is because of the major increase that's been taking place over the last couple of hours. The graph thinks, you know what, this crypto is going to keep pumping, it's going to keep going up in value, so on and so on. However, that is not the case. What I am expecting from Barnbridge over the next 12 to 14 hours, so towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, is an overall drop in value, dropping down to around $5 is what I'm expecting. Again, we can already see red candles appearing on the screen, slowly starting to drop down in value. But again, it doesn't mean it's going to be consistently dropping in value. Yes, it is likely to hit green candles over the next couple of hours, even pumping up to about $6 before it slowly starts to drop down in value towards the end of the day today and early hours of tomorrow, down to around the $5 mark is what I'm expecting at the moment. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days still looking very bullish, very positive. However, it's still looking very steep, meaning an over increase in value is what is meant to take place, but again, it's not realistic. Exact same as the last chart, the 30-minute chart that we looked at. So guys, in this case, I am expecting an overall decrease in value over the next week or so. So let's say by mid next week, over the next 7 to 8 days, I am expecting Barnbridge to go for an overall drop in value. But in this case, I'm not expecting it to drop down to $5. I'm expecting it to, once it starts to drop down to $5, we should see it slowly gain value to around $5.20, $5.25 is what I'm expecting Barnbridge to be trading at by mid next week. But again, that doesn't mean that it's going to be consistently hitting red days or green days over the next 7-8 days. It's going to be quite volatile. It's going to be up and down, but the overall outcome, just like the previous chart, seems to be more on the negative side rather than the positive side. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? Now we're looking much more positive, and again, much realistic as well. It's not looking too steep like the previous two charts, but we've still got it going in a positive direction. So in this case, yes, I am expecting an overall increase in value from Barnbridge over the next 6 to 8 weeks. So in this case, I'm talking about early to mid June 2023, we should essentially be heading towards the $10 mark, guys. Again, you guys may think I'm crazy to say that it's going to hit $10. However, if we give it enough time, approximately 2 months, we should be able to hit the $10 mark, depending of course on how the crypto market performs. For example, if there's a major crypto crash or a bull run or a price bump, anything like that can have a major positive or negative impact, not just on the value of Barnbridge, but the whole crypto market in general. But if I'm able to predict such thing, I will of course keep you guys updated on as much as I can and as soon as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. But yeah, so far for the short term, it's not looking too good for Barnbridge, as I am expecting it to drop back down in value. But over the long term, I am expecting it to go for an overall increase in value if the market or the crypto market manages to stay on the green side. But yeah, at the moment, guys, short-term holders or short-term traders, make sure your risk management is on point, because I am expecting it to drop back down in value. Again, I know it's a very, a time where it's like, okay, let me get into it, it's pumping up so much, let me buy it right now, make a quick profit. But again, you guys need to think about, if it does drop, then that quick profit can turn into a quick loss very, very quickly, especially in the crypto market, as it is a very, very volatile market. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Barnbridge, guys. Let me know in the comment section down below, when are you guys expecting Barnbridge to be hitting the $10 mark? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. So make sure to comment down below when or what month do you guys expect Barnbridge to hit $10, or do you guys think it's not going to hit $10 at all this year? Let me know in the comment section down below. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.